Good morning, students. Have a nice Thursday. Dear students, you all know about the great persons of the world, such as Albert Einstein, Sir Isaac Newton, Galileo, Socrates, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Rajkumar, Rajesh Khanna, Rishi Kapoor, etc. They all are no more in this world. That means they all are dead. Yet we always remember them. We never forget them. Why? What is the reason of our remembering them? Because of their great contribution, because of their unique achievements, because of their specific creations. So we remember them. And so they all have been the great celebrity of the world because of their unique creation, because of their extraordinary achievements, and because of their best contribution. So we remember them. Right? They all are dead. But even today, we feel that their effect, their influence lingers, stays here between us. Today, I am also going to inform you about the great celebrity of the world. His name was Walt Disney. And he has been great celebrity of the world because of his unique creation, extraordinary achievements, and he has been familiar in the world because of his best creation of Disneyland Studio. So here we see about unforgettable Walt Disney, written by Roy Disney. His brother. Here, try to understand the title. Walt Disney, great celebrity of the world. What kind of Walt Disney? Unforgettable. Try to understand the meaning of unforgettable. Never forget. We never forget him. Always remember. We always remember, never forget. Walt Disney. Though he is no more in this world, he is dead, died. But because of his unique creation, extraordinary achievements of building Disneyland Studio, we never forget him, though he is no more in this world. Walt Disney, today he is no more in this world. To be no more, that means dead, died. He is not alive. He is not alive. Yet, we remember him. We never forget him. Why? Why we remember him? Why? What is the reason of remembering him? Because of his unique creation. Because of his extraordinary achievements. Because of his best creation. So we remember him. And so here in the title, unforgettable word is given as an adjective. Try to understand the title. We learn about Walt Disney. What kind of unforgettable? Unforgettable means never forget him, always remember. Why we remember him? Because of his unique creation. Unique. No compare. Unique. Extraordinary achievement. And best. And he has been the great celebrity of the world for building Disneyland Studio. So here, his brother Roy Disney, the writer, he described him. Roy Disney, his brother, describes him. He gives his word picture that Walt Disney, he is a guideline. Walt Disney, he is nothing but one kind of guide, and guide of struggle and success. Guideline of struggle and success. His life journey is full of difficulties. His life journey is full of thorns, storms, obstacles, and hardships. Learn about Walt Disney. Why? Unforgettable. Why we remember him? His life is a guideline for you, for us. Struggle and success. His life journey full of difficulties, full of throes, storms, obstacles, hardships, hurdles. But he was a determined fellow. He was determined determined fellow, not minded, sure-footed, determined, do, determined fellow, sure-footed, not minded. So he overcome all these problems. He won, faced all these problems and became a great celebrity of the world. He always followed Walt Disney. He always followed the great words of the great minds. Always follow the great words. What were the words? Never say. He always followed the great words. These are never say, don't say. Try to understand these words. Never say, don't say that struggle is away. Struggle is away. What is the meaning of away? Away is equal to useless, meaningless. Great words. Walt Disney, he always followed. He always accepted the great words. The great words, never say, don't say, you should not say. You should not say that struggle is away. Struggle is away. Away means useless, without any use, meaningless. Never say, because struggle is necessary. Because struggle is necessary. Struggle is inevitable. Struggle is required. It is one kind of requirement. Struggle always necessary to go ahead, to progress. Right? He always follow his great words. He followed. The more you struggle, the better you are. He accepted other great words. He accepted suffering makes you a better person. Always follow. Suffering makes you a better person. The more you suffer, the better you are. The more you struggle, the stronger you are. The more you suffer, the harder you are. Swifter you are. Better you are. Suffering makes always you a better person. Always follow. So he has been the great celebrity of the world. Here, the writer Roy Disney, he describes, he gives a word picture about Walt Disney, what he was, how he did, how he planned, what he planned, how he faced, and how he reached on the top of the hill, achieve his goal of building unique creation Disneyland Studio. Here by describing him, by giving his picture. The writer also encourages us. Also encourages us, inspires us, all of us. He has become inspired to make progress. How he inspired? By saying. He inspired us by saying. Students, be best. Be best. Be strong. Broaden your mind. Broaden your mind. Never think narrow. Broaden your mind and reach your knowledge and reach your willpower. And reach your willpower. You all know about a familiar proverb, a will find a way. You all are familiar by these. A will find a way. A will find a way. If you will and reach your willpower, if you will, if you desire, if you will desire to be something, if you will, it will find a way. It will find your goal and it will take you on the top of the hill. That means achieve your goal. Here, by describing Walt Disney, the writer inspires all of us by saying this: be great. Develop your imaginative power. Develop your decisive power. Develop your specific element. How? By struggling. So, he says, life journey of Walt Disney is full of difficulties, thrones, storms, obstacles, hardship. But he was a determined fellow, and so he won all the situation and became the great celebrity of the